Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So Wall Street ends up after better than expected jobs data. Dollar up after strong US jobs data takes back some losses from yen. Yes, finally, my dear friends, NFP is over. And as expected, we got to see some good moves, crazy moves from the market after NFP. The expectation or the forecast was around 1,80,000 jobs, and the number came out to be 1,99,199K. As a result, market was happy, and moreover, unemployment rate was forecast was around 3.9%. It came out to be 3.7%. So as a result, market was very happy, and we got to see the reaction on the chart of DXY. DXY was under retracement, and we can see that DXY tried to move higher, but we can still see that there is pressure on the chart of dollar. After NFP also, DXY, though it tried to go up, but it failed to cross the critical crucial resistance of 104.20, 104.50. In our earlier videos also, we have discussed that if DXY really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross 104.20 to 104.50, this level. Then only it will be a confirmation that finally DXY is going for some recovery, some trend reversal. Because if you look at the chart of dollar index here, then obviously there is pressure because the market was in downtrend. But here we can see that there is a structural change in the market here. So there is a possibility that next week also DXY will try its best to cross. If DXY succeeds, it will be a trend reversal, it will be a confirmation. And next week is also very important. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see on Tuesday we have CPI coming up, okay, and then on Wednesday we have FOMC. No, on Thursday, sorry, I guess. Yeah, FOMC coming up. So market will be volatile, and mostly we can expect that market will be waiting for news only. And my dear friends, this is fastbull.com. If you don't know about Fastbull, Fastbull is an amazing app, amazing website for traders like us. Not only you can check out the events, but also you can set alerts so that you don't miss the news. This is not a sponsored video, okay? Don't think that I'm getting money from Fastbull. I love Fastbull. It is very efficient and useful for us. That's why I'm saying. In fact, I have a pen to bring the people of Fastbull to our website, not to our website, to my channel, so that they can explain us how to use their website and mobile application in a better way. That is also not sponsored. Okay, now let's look at Euro USD now. Okay, so this is the chart of Euro dollar. If we look at the daily chart of Euro USD here, then we can see that Euro USD was also in good recovery mode. Then we have a good retracement. And if we draw FIBO here, you can see market has bounced from FIBO 50% retracement level, and the same area was also previous resistance. So you can say that previous resistance is working as support. Along with that, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. And if you look at the chart here, you can clearly see how beautifully market has respected FIBO all the time. So if you're a day trader, then obviously you can expect next bounce around 1.0665, because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we have also previous support around the area. If you are a day trader, then observe the market around this area. When market will be around 1.067075, simply switch to 15 minutes time frame to observe the market behavior. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, hit the buy button. You can expect 25 to 30 pips easily, because market is respecting FIBO, and 61.8% is the best level on the whole FIBO setup. And on the other hand, if you see the market is going down 1.0735, with good selling pressure, you can also consider a sell below it. But try to avoid any selling or any breakout or breakdown, especially on USD pairs right after the market opening, especially during the first half of Monday, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume or volatility is extremely important. And usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. By US session or by Tuesday, if market goes for a breakout breakdown, that's a different chapter. You can go for it because there will be volatility. But on Monday, be careful during the European session and Asian session. Okay, so if you're a day trader, then obviously the present trend of the market is towards the downside. So as a result, you need to plan your trades accordingly. Market is clearly forming a lower lows. Okay, lower lows. So as a result, if market breaks 1.0735, we can go for a quick sell. But on the same chart, we can also see that overall the trend is up and market is respecting FIBO very well. So around 1.065, 1.0665, around FIBO 61.8% retracement level, we can also expect a bounce. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities if market goes down. And right after the market opening, if we see that Euro USD goes up, in that case, we can also look for a quick sell opportunity around 1.0793 to 1.0800. Let me show you why. So here also we have used FIBO here, and we can see that around 1.0793, around 1.0780, we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have previous support around this area. So if the volatility of the market is not very high and market just go for some temporary recovery and market struggles around this area, we can also look for a sell. But on the other hand, if we see that the recovery is good enough, okay, then observe. If you see that at 1.0800 market is standing with a big green candle, obviously you need to avoid. Okay, and then you can observe the market around 1.0835, 1.0840. Around this area you can observe the market, because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and same here also previous support will be working as resistance. Along with that, 50 moving average will also be present here. So if we combine all the factors here, 1.0835, 1.0840 is a resistance, and if market reverses, we can look for a sell. But keep in mind 1.0800, 1.0793 is a weaker level in comparison to this. This level seems to be a better level to take a sell. But here we can see that on the chart of Euro USD, market has formed a higher high previously. So if market surprises us with another higher high, then obviously we can consider it as a trend reversal as well. So next high of Euro USD will be very important. So if market goes down right after the market opening, we can look for a buy at 1.0665, and if market, obviously if market breaks 1.060735 level, we can also look for a sell. On the other hand, if you see the market is going up, observe the market at 1.0790, 1.0800. It's not a very strong level, but if the volatility of the market is low, especially on Monday, if market reverses, we can look for a sell. But if market breaks it, observe the market at 1.083540 level. If market reverses, we can hit a sell button. We can hit the sell button there. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. My dear friends, the Hindi workshop has ended and the English workshop is about to start from Monday. Thanks for such an overwhelming response. My dear friends, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. If you're interested, if you really want to take your trading seriously and you like my work, you can consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. These are the benefits that you will be receiving after joining the Pro Trader program or the workshop. I have also shared my story so that you can understand, my dear friend, that nothing is impossible in the market. And at the beginning, there is a questionnaire because the workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed a workshop only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years. And these are the topics that we will be dealing in the workshop. 3 days workshop, and these are the topics that we will be dealing during our weekly classes. So 3 days workshop, 4 weekly sessions, so overall 7 classes. And dates are 11, 12, 13 December. Timing is mentioned here. The classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you're unable to attend, no need to worry. I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for Indians. For 3 days workshop, 1 month support. These are the benefits. And yes, trading takes time. Trading requires guidance. And if you're looking for personal sessions and guidance, you can also sign up for very affordable semi-annual or lifetime support. Right after the payment, these are the methods. Okay, you just share a screenshot to the WhatsApp number here, or you can send an email here so that I can add you to the group. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and have fun and enjoy the lovely weekend. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So here we can see that overall trend is upside, and right now market is going for some retracement. Okay, so if you are a positional trader, swing trader, then obviously you should wait for the bounce here. And yes, in the coming days we can expect the GBP USD will be going for a good bounce. So let's try to understand the levels and the trading opportunities one by one. So first of all, the next support on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.2480 to 1.2450. Why? Because we have FIBO 50% retracement, 38.2% retracement level. The previous resistance will be working as support here, and also some sort of previous price rejection around the area, this one. So if we combine all the 3 factors here, like previous price rejection from below, previous resistance working as support, and FIBO 38.2, then 1.2480 to 2450 is a good level. And as a day trader, you can definitely expect a bounce. Once the market will hit the zone, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. If market takes support, you can hit the buy button. And then 1.2400 to 1.2380. Why? Because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and FIBO 50 and 61 are the best level on GBP USD in my personal observation. Okay, previous resistance is already working as support here, and we can see the market is also taking support. Market is showing support around this area. So if we combine all the factors, 1.2400, 1.2380 is also a good level to go for a buy. Plus, we have the 200 moving average here. So, in my opinion, 1.2400, 1.2380 is the best level where a swing trader can also look for a buy position apart from day traders. But the problem is that 1.2400 2380 is far away from the current market price. So as a result, let's keep our eyes on 1.2480. If market takes support, we can go for a buy. And right now we don't have any confirmation regarding the trend reversal yet, but let's wait and watch. So right after the market opening, if we see GBP USD going down, these are the levels look for. And right after market opening, if we see GBP USD going up, in that case we can look for a sell around we can already see market is respecting FIBO here, so we can expect around 1.2592 to 1.2600. Especially during the European session and Asian session, market will face some resistance. And we will also be having the 100 moving average. The previous support will also be acting as resistance. So around this area, let's observe the market. And under low volatility, definitely we can expect that GBP USD will struggle around this area. If market reverses, we can go for a sell as a day trader. So these are the trading opportunities, my dear friend, that I see on the charts of Euro USD, GBP USD, and hopefully you guys liked it. And market may not show much volatility on Monday because of the upcoming CPI and FOMC, because before a bigger event, major news, market always prefer to stay silent, as we already saw this week before NFP. So be careful. As I always say, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers, so do not gamble. Bye bye, take care. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family.